In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for Nothing Phone 3A. This is how the case looks. I already bought a case for my Nothing Phone 3A offline, but it turned yellow within 20 days. Here you can see the current condition. It is completely yellow. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid case looks like this. Here is the model number, Space Crystal. The price mentioned on the box is 2199, but I got it for approximately 750 rupees. This case is made in Korea. So without wasting any time, let's remove the case from the box. Here is the case, nothing inside. Spigen is known for making good quality cases for the phone. Here is the case. Let's remove the stickers. Here you can see that air cushion technology is mentioned. The build quality of this Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for Nothing Phone 3A is pretty good. Here is my Nothing Phone 3A. Let's keep it. Here you can see the Spigen branding, and this is how the volume rockers looks. And here is the air cushion technology. Here on 4 sides you have the air cushion technology. In case of any accidental falls, it will protect your phone. The back of the case looks like this. It provides protection to the camera bump. Here you can see that the lens are protected in case if you keep your phone like this. And also there are cutouts for flashlight also. On the top you can see the cutout. There is no cutout for volume rockers. And here is the Spigen branding. If you want to change the SIM, you need to remove the case and then you can change the SIM. Here is a cutout for charging your phone, and here is a cutout for speaker grill. Here they have given an option to tie your phone case to anything. This is how the essential is covered, and here is the power button. There are no cutouts for these buttons. Here you can see that the case is elevated. When you keep your phone upside down, your display will not attract scratches. Here you can see that clearly. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for Nothing Phone 3A. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.